In this video, I will show how to fix this app has been blocked by your system administrator on Windows 11 or 10. So firstly, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Apps. Now Installed Apps. Here guys, you will see a list of applications. So find out Microsoft Store. Click on these three dots, Advanced Options. And here guys, firstly you have to try repair. Then reset. And after that restart your system. So this is the method to fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.